Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a quick money maker that you can make money from. There's a potential that you can make money from this. Now, this particular method, I don't know about earning full-time passive income. This is not passive income, but it can make you high profits, and it can really put some money in your pocket, put some money in your bank. So some people do this full time. I've heard apparently some people do it full time and they make a lot of money from just this particular technique alone. And there are people that have never made money online before, and then they start doing this and then they start making money online. Can it make you rich? Yes, it can make you rich, but there's going to be some work and effort in, just like any business, guys. This is a business. This isn't not a get rich quick thing where you're just going to make money overnight. You have to put the work in, but it's an interesting business. So anyway, let's get into it. So what exactly is this business? And basically it's something called domain flipping. Okay, so basically what you do is, if you don't know what a domain name is, basically in a nutshell, probably all of you know what a domain name is, but in a nutshell, like the URL of a certain website, so www.xyz.com, for example, that is a domain name. And basically what people do, there are people that basically buy a domain name for like $7, and then they flip it for like $300-400 or $300-400 bucks basically. Now some domain names can actually even be more expensive, and people can be selling it for a couple of thousand. And in a nutshell, this guy has been doing this for years. In fact, there's people that have been doing this for years, making a lot of money, killing it online just with this method alone. So they buy a domain name and then they basically flip it on certain websites. They sell it on certain websites, and then people buy it on that website, and then they make profit. Okay, so it's a pretty interesting concept, and there's actually tools and softwares that will do that for you, like make the whole process much easier than manually going out there and looking for these domains, because the research apparently takes some time, and by using software it just makes it easier for you. So there's a guy that's actually is selling a course on how he basically managed to do that. So he obviously started from at flipping domain names and getting these high commissions, not commissions, but high sales, basically 400% profit, or even 1,000% profit, just by flipping these domain names, like buying them for like $7 and then selling them for a few hundred each and every time. So people are doing this and people are making money, and this guy, he's been doing it for many years and decided then to create a course called Domainer Elite, or Domain Elite. And if you want more information, there's a video in the link below this video. If you click the link in the description below, then you'll basically get you watch his video. Just watch his video, and basically he explains in his video about how his software just makes it so much easier. And then there's also testimonials, people's results of how they made money with this system. And when they got with Domainer Elite, they started seeing sales with their domain names. Now I'm not sure, I know back in the days people used to buy domain names on GoDaddy and then flip them on a website called Flippa. Okay, so basically Flippa is a website that you can buy websites from, you can buy domain names from, you can buy apps from. There's a lot of things that you can buy on Flippa. But you also sell domains, okay? And that's what people were doing. They were buying domains from GoDaddy, okay? And they were flipping it on Flippa, okay? And people used to do this time and time again. Now, there's other ways to do it. If you want to know the other ways, then you can just check out the guy check out Domainer Elite. And that basically goes more into detail on what everything's about and how it works and everything. Now, I'll actually do a video on this technique and on this method and websites that you can go to help you with this, you know what I mean? So not in this video, but probably my next video, I will share with you some tools, some websites, some things that you can do to potentially make this work for you. Okay, I might be testing it out myself. I did buy a few domains in the past, but I didn't really stick to it, and I therefore never really sold any. But I'm actually looking to maybe look into it again and see if I can potentially, make it, make some money from this. I believe that sometimes you have to give something a shot a few times. I know for a fact that when I got first started on eBay, I never made any money, and I bought a whole bunch of things and nothing sold. But then later on I gave it a break, and then later on I went back on it again, and I slightly tweaked things, changed things around the way I was doing things, and lo and behold, I started making huge amounts, like very high returns on my investment. Like I would buy something for like £4 and I would sell it for like £90 or £60 or whatever. So the point I'm trying to make is that, like, even though something doesn't work for me, that domain thing didn't really work for me at that time. But then again, I wasn't completely focused on it. I was doing other things at that time. But yeah, now I might just put my attention on it again and see if I can actually make this happen. There is an art to this, and there is a technique to it. You need to know the kind of domains that do sell. You need to find those domains that do sell, and you need to be able to know like what kind of things people are searching for, like what's in demand, because something can be priced at a high value. Like it could be saying that it's worth 500, but are people actually going to buy it? That's the question. Okay, so you want to look for a domain that, like not for a fact, you can't guarantee anything, but there is a high percentage that people are actually going to buy. Okay, so that's basically how you do any really affiliate marketing or selling, is you look for things that are in demand. Okay, and that's exactly with domain names as well. You want to go for a domain name that you think would be in demand, okay, based on your research, based on your understanding of things. So I hope that makes sense. And what was I going to say? Yeah, if you haven't got signed up to GoDaddy so that you can start making money with domain names, then you can also get signed up for free in the link below this description. That would just, when you sign up, then you can start buying your domains and start making money with domain names. And also, if you want to get the course, or if you want to find more about the course, then click the link in the description below this video. Also, make sure to like, comment and subscribe so you can get more videos on tips, techniques, methods on how you can make money and build your business online. In my next video, I'll probably, like I said, I'll go through this in more detail on different websites that you can use, different tools that you can use to be able to do this domain name business. So have an awesome day, and I hope you've found some value in this video, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.